स्वातीजी, तुमचं प्रोफेशन काय आहे?
माझं प्रोफेशन ॲक्च्युली एम्ब्रिओलॉजिस्ट आहे. जे इन्फर्टाईल कपल्स असतात, त्यांना बाळ होत नाही, त्यांना आम्ही लॅबमध्ये बाळ तयार करतो त्यांच्यासाठी. दिस इज कॉल्ड एम्ब्रिओलॉजिस्ट.
So, तुमचं क्वालिफिकेशन काय आहे?
इट्स मास्टर्स इन मायक्रोबायोलॉजी.
मायक्रोबायोलॉजी.
येस.
एम्ब्रिओलॉजिस्ट मॉडेलिंग हा स्विच ओव्हर कसा आहे?
I was following Samir sir like since quite long time, and once he said that I can actually do good in modeling as well, and I have good confidence in everything, so I must try it in then because of his inspiring nature and the way he promotes the models. So I actually got all the confidence and inspiration from him.
Are you finding comfortable with this modeling?
Quite comfortable right now, and I'm literally trying a good job profile in this as well.
What makes you a professional model?
Professional model, I feel that is the best thing where you can explore yourself, the beauty of your body, and the people you meet, different kind of people, personalities. This makes you the best ever because meeting different kind of people and exploring yourself to the best. Modeling can give you the best chance ever.
So, how many rounds or shows have you?
I just started with this, sir. So maybe this is the first or second show. So I'm not actually too much into it, but I'm looking forward to it.
What's the future plan in modeling?
Let's see. I think I should go ahead with the things right now, and hope for the best. Like how it goes, God knows. But I'll be working hard in this.